Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make oat cookies without oven updated. Combine 2 cups oats, 1 cup nut butter, 1/2 cup honey, a pinch of salt, and optional mix-ins, then shape and refrigerate until firm. These no-bake cookies are quick and forgiving, perfect for busy days or last-minute treats. I'll share texture tips, sweetener swaps, and storage ideas so you get a chewy, tasty result every time. We start by toasting oats briefly in a dry pan for more flavor, or skip for raw oats. Mix oats with mashed banana or nut butter, add honey and a pinch of salt, then fold in chocolate chips or nuts. Press 1 tablespoon portions into discs on parchment and chill for at least 1 hour for firm texture. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness to your preference and enjoy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It saves time so you can snack and watch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a small kitchen helper for crumbs and spills. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Try swaps like peanut butter for almond, maple syrup for honey, or dried fruit for chocolate to customize flavors. For chewier cookies, use 1/4 more nut butter. For firmer discs, reduce liquid slightly. Press each cookie firmly to encourage binding and refrigerate on a flat tray to keep shape. When ready, let cookies sit at room temperature a few minutes before eating to soften slightly, and enjoy warm with tea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.